Welcome guys, it's a Tuesday. I'm happy to come out with another video, and my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And by now, I guess if you have been following me on my YouTube channel, you will know what I'm going to talk about, because every single Tuesday I go about doing, basically I have this plan, especially for creating more content for you guys, and also specifying so that you have a pattern to follow. You know what to expect every single time that you watch a video from me, as well as dive into more information on that topic, right? So if you do want to know more about exactly something that I'm speaking about in this video, or in any videos for that matter, please feel free to comment below, because that's going to help me help you more, and definitely give you guys more content. Okay, so just want to give you guys a small history of what I'm going to talk about today. But I'm an internet marketer, guys. Okay, I do have my own system, which is called the Pro system, and I created that in May of this year. Sorry, so that's around 2 months ago. I launched it officially, and it has been running since then. It's going well, so I'm definitely coming out more frequently to talk about the Pro system. But at the same time, this channel is to give you guys more content on cryptocurrency, content on marketing, and just to educate you a little bit more, show you how I utilize the strategies, I utilize my certain techniques and tricks in order for me to actually generate an income online. Okay, so it's more of a documentary of anything of any sorts as well. There are a couple of things that I do want to cover in this video, but we're definitely going to talk about iCoinPro. Okay, and I'm going to tell you why we're going to talk about iCoinPro, because today is trading Tuesdays, guys. Today is trading Tuesday, so I usually come out with a video on trading, and actually to give you guys an update on the scenario and the situation. And I'm very positive and very happy today to see that the cryptocurrency market is the way that it is right now. It's not the best market. You got to be honest, right? It's not perfect. At the end of last year, Bitcoin was around 19,000 US dollars. Now it's 6,000 US dollars. It's gone less than half of the volume that it was. Yep, that's true. But it doesn't mean that you can be left out at any point of time. If you have the right skill sets, if we as individuals, okay, have the right skill sets, we can go far. Whether it is in trading, whether it is in marketing, whether it is in communicating with people, it's still a skill set. You can utilize that skill set to then get value on it, right? And that's what we're going to be doing in this video. I'm going to show you exactly a few things about iCoinPro, why it is such an awesome educational platform, specifically for trading. Okay, so what is trading? Trading cryptocurrency, for that matter, it's basically buying at a low and selling at a high. Okay, that is specifically trading. When you buy something and you sell something, you're taking part in trade, whether it's a commodity, whether it's a currency, whether it's anything. I can trade my computer for a glass of water. It's still trading, right? So these are the basics, obviously, that you should know before you get into trading. I stayed away from trading for a long time because I was happy with selling stuff, but I was not really used to trading for higher values and low values, and gaining money and losing money and stuff like that. I was actually scared of all the charts that I would need to study. Can you imagine? There are people who are chart junkies and just love it. I, on the other hand, wanted to stay far away from it, even though I knew that it was a skill set that would benefit me in the future. Okay, but I still wanted to stay away from it. And I repeat this story every single time because I want people to understand that I am no different from you. Okay, I am not any different from you. I had the same skepticism when I got started. I had the same nervousness. I had the same, what if I lose my money? But I am in charge of that, right? In this way, because I'm learning the skill set, and then I need to trade in order for me to start earning. So I need to implement it to then get actual results, to make a decision for myself whether it's worth it for me or no. So I want to go into specifically just to tell you guys, and let's go right from the beginning. iCoinPro is the trading website that I have, but basically more than the trading website, it is a platform which allows you to get educated on everything related to cryptocurrency. I have spent hours and hours and hours of my time to help my teammates, to help people who I'm doing business with, to help friends even, okay? Give them information about cryptocurrency. If I went for a conference, if I did something and I needed to explain it to them, I had to go through videos and videos and videos, or I had to create a video myself in order for me to generate that kind of information. Instead, iCoinPro has every single thing under one roof. Okay, literally every single thing. It gives you the basics. Okay, we even have a forum, and I'm going to get into the forum. Why is this forum so important, right? It's very, very important for you guys. For me, it's helped me, honestly. It's been priceless, literally priceless. So it's a forum. Then there's a core trainings, which gives you exactly what it is, what explorers, more the actual content, where you go and you can talk to somebody and they'll be like, whoa, how do you know so much? From iCoinPro, you get it? Then you have the advanced training, and then you have the micro profit system, which is the trading method, the trading strategy that we use in order for us to generate a daily percentage of on your trades. Okay. Now I do have to say, once I show you the trade finder, an income disclaimer, but before I go ahead and do that, I want to just talk about these things right here. So you have the training, okay, that has specific strategies, and you have a tracking sheet. So this is a tool that you can use to track your trades and everything else. And then you have the exchange calculator. So depending on each exchange that you are on, you can use 7 of these exchanges right here to calculate the fees and make the actual exchange or trades on those exchanges. And then this, my friends, right here is the beauty of something that is good for not only old or new traders, but even veteran traders. People have been doing for a while. Okay, this is going to be incredibly useful for you. Okay, I'm going to show you what it is. It's called the iCoinPro Trade Finder. What it does is that it crawls all 3 exchanges that they have, looks for 300 plus combinations of trades every single minute, and it gives you live trades in order for you to start to generate a profit on those trades as well. Okay, and then we have a boot camp for you guys, and this boot camp just helps you reinforce the training that's there, and then you have additional training. And it goes on. There's more, and you can have certificates as well. Now, guys, I just want to say this right now. I just want to put out this disclaimer because I'm going to show you next the Trade Finder itself. Okay, so disclaimer: iCoinPro and iCoinPro Trade Finder and its trainers provide an informational service only and are not responsible for any investments made applying this information. The results described are not typical and are not guaranteed for any future incomes. Any investment contains risk and is 100% the responsibility of the investor to assess the risks or rewards involved. It is possible to lose some or all of your investment. We assume no liability assumed or implied for your application of the information shared from the training programs. Okay, it's very important for me to do this legally as well, so that I don't have any problems, but also so that you don't have any problems, and you know that we're a company that really cares about it. So you may ask, David, for all of this, okay, for all of this, what does it cost you? This is the cost. Okay, this is exactly how it is. I'm not going to go through the whole presentation with you. I just wanted to pull up this slide because I wanted to ask you simply that. Have you taken action? Will you take action? It's $40 for all of what you saw. Any of these packages will get you access to everything. Okay, the only advantage of the yearly package, which is what I would suggest anybody to go in with, is that it saves you some money. You don't have to think about it every single month. It just, you pay once for the whole year and you can utilize the system as much as you want. In fact, I have gone in on the yearly package as well because it just makes sense. Okay, so it's a membership to iCoinPro in order for you to have all of this. Now, this is what I was talking about. This is the Trade Finder, guys. Look, there are 2 elements here. One is the Trade Finder itself, okay, that, as you can see, is finding trades. These are all live trades for me right now, only on Poloniex. but there is Bittrex, GDEX, and Binance as well, which you can check on trades for. Okay, and then you have something that's called the RSI Spy, which is another tool that also live crawls the exchanges and gives you the RSI. Now, the RSI allows you to make either long trades or think about what's happening with the market, how you can make a, just anticipate things. And the last thing that they have is Fear and Greed Index, which allows you to actually judge where the market is, because any kind of market, whether it's a stock exchange, any kind of currency, any kind of trading, is always dependent not on the market, not on the product, but on us as human beings having emotions, especially fear and greed, that controls everything else. Okay, so this is the trade finder, which I wanted to show you, and I'm going to go to the next part, which is the forum, and this is why I'm going to tell you that the forum is so important for you to think about it. Okay, because there is updated information, not only iCoinPro news, but world cryptocurrency related news. This means that any kind of news that you find online, okay, is all getting stored by and verified by the members and the founder and the CEO and everything. And you have modules. It is a community more than anything else. This forum is a community where you as an individual can go and search and find somebody like me, start a new topic and get the conversation and get your answer. Okay, so it's a very, very valuable tool. Honestly, I'm going to go back to CoinMarketCap and say, hey guys, it's up to you right now. Okay, I have been trading on a daily basis. Okay, in fact, I've been trading so much recently that I think Poloniex just wanted to give me some good news today and reviewed and said my withdrawal limit is now 100,000 US dollars. So I have a hell of a lot of a limit. Doesn't mean I'm earning 100,000 US dollars. Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not saying that. I'm saying my limit, my withdrawal limit is increased because I'm trading often on Poloniex. So they have recognized that I'm using their services and they are happy. They're happy to increase that amount. Okay. I was pleasantly surprised when I got started trading, and I know you will be as well. I do offer support, guys. I do offer support, and you will find that specifically there are two links in the description of this video. One is to the Pro system to see everything that I do, my whole business in a box, basically, which you can actually copy. I can give it to you myself, and I do the selling for you. Or you can see the other link that says, let's get started trading, and that's specifically for you guys who want to get started trading. Okay, my name is David Pino. As I said, they also call me Tips with Dave. You can definitely check out all the links in the description if you need anything. If you have any questions regarding iCoinPro trading, the trade finder, let me know in the comment section below. If I can answer them on this thread, then I will. Otherwise, I will personally message you, let me know your Facebook, and I'll get in touch with you and give you all the answers regarding iCoinPro. Remember, this is the amount. Think about it. And this quote is what I want you to say, what I want you to think. If you ask people what they've always wanted to do, and most haven't done it, they didn't take action when they had the chance. You have the chance right now. It's up to you to make that decisions. Are you going to take action or not? I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day and keep rocking. I enjoy the consistency that we come out with these videos. There's a specific pattern, obviously, and tomorrow is going to be Winning Wednesday, guys. I'm going to talk about specifically what tools I use in order for me to glue everything together in my business. Have a great day. Keep in touch and let me know in the comment section below what you're thinking. Hit the subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.